How to swap crypto on Trust Wallet. If you wish to swap your cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Trust Wallet application. Then you just have to go ahead and then log into your account. Then once you log into your account, you will see this type of interface right here, right? Now, what you want to do after you log in is we are trying to swap crypto, which means you want to convert. If you have Bitcoin, you want to convert that directly to Ethereum instead of going through the selling process and the buying process again, right? You just want to be able to directly swap the cryptocurrency that you own. To do that, from the bottom of the Trust Wallet app, just tap on the swap icon as you can see here. Now you can choose what you want to convert. So from Ethereum is selected by default. I can select this. Let's say I have got Bitcoin, right? I can enter the amount of Bitcoin that I want to convert to which currency. So if I want to convert that to Ethereum, I can select that. So let's say I've got 1 Bitcoin, I want to convert that to Ethereum. You'll be able to see I'll receive this much amount of Ethereum. I can choose any cryptocurrency, by the way. Then I can go ahead and then proceed with the changes and confirmation. This way I can swap crypto on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.